Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
How to draw a cat for kids, a step-by-step guide. Drawing comes naturally to young kids. As a form of creative expression, it offers numerous developmental benefits for kids. Drawing a cat is one of the easiest activities that can help in starting their artistic journey. Here's how you can teach your little one to draw a cat. What you will need: pencil, non-dust eraser, drawing paper, black marker, and coloring supplies. How to draw a cat, step-by-step instructions. 1. Draw the head and the belly of the cat. To draw a cat, first draw an outline of the cat belly as shown in the figure below, a tilted, big oval circle. Then, on the top of this circle, draw a smaller oval shape or a small circle for the cat's head. 2. Draw the cat's hind leg and ears. On the face of the smaller circle that you have drawn, draw 2 triangles to make the cat's ears. At the bottom half of the lower circle, draw a C for the cat's thigh. Then, draw a long U shape for the hind leg and the paw at the bottom. Then, draw the toes at the end of the paw. 3. Draw the cat's forelegs and boot. Now, imagine a line running through the center of the cat's belly. Draw a large W shape to form the forelegs as shown in the figure. Once again, draw the paws and the toes. Then, draw a bow across the line that separates the cat's face from the rest of its body. 4. Draw the cat's eyes. Draw 2 small circles for the cat's eyes on the cat's face. Fill in 2 smaller circles for the pupils. To polish whatever you've drawn so far, erase any extra lines or curves. And draw a small curve on the top of the W shape you drew for the forelegs. Refer to the image given below for a better understanding. 5. Draw the cat's nose, mouth, and tail. Draw a small circle just below the center of the cat's eyes to form the nose. From this circle, draw 2 curves, each ending in the opposite direction. If you look closely, the curves look like a horizontal 3. There, you've just drawn the cat's mouth. Then, draw 2 lines starting from the back of the bottom circle, from behind the hind leg, and join them to make a nice, fluffy tail. 6. Draw details and color the cat. Adding details, such as patches, sharpen the toe outlines, etc., and color the cat in the colors of your choice. Drawing encourages visual analysis, establish concentration, improve hand-eye coordination, and develop creative problem-solving in kids. Therefore, motivate your child to pick up the pencil and ensure you display his personalized artworks.